Hello everyone, I have another job order from our office, and this is a factory work. So this is located in Namekawa Toyama. So the job description for this is plastic regeneration and plastic sales. So again, this is a factory work job and located in Toyama. And the working hours for this is from 8 o'clock to 4 p.m. And the salary is from 220,000 to 300,000. So if you are willing to apply for this job, we conduct interview for this via phone. You can call our office number at 036-206-8058. So again, this is a factory work in Toyama, and the salary is from 220 to 300,000. Thank you very much.